me and Mikah are at Coushatta, and he spotted a brand new slot that he wants to play. So this week we are letting him pick, and he has picked a brand new game. I don't even know the name of it. Bao Zhu Zhao Fu
Firecracker Express.
This game is huge. It's got the train, as he calls it. It's got 5 different firecracker patterns. And it has tons of different denoms. It has anything from 1 cent all the way to $2. $2 is like
20 to 200.
sheesh. But today we're going to be doing some 1 cent denoms on it. What, you wanted something different?
Yeah, I'm going to do probably something different.
All right, do what you want then.
Where is it located?
We know you will. There we go.
And we're by Lenny B's.
Oh yeah, it is right next to Lenny B's.
Not
He's
bad.
doing 10 cent, $5,
not.
5 cent, $2.50.
Yep, I like that number better. This is a hard machine to record.
It is super big, so it's going to be a pain in my rectum to record, but we're going to get it all done.
You like it like this?
Yep.
Okay.
Just don't move a lot.
Well, I'm going to turn the volume up.
Mikah movements are all over the place today. He had too much coffee. Come on.
Should I do 2 $5 spins at 10 cents?
Sure, if you can.
Okay, let me try to do it without moving. Bam. Bam. Okay, one more.
Will his $5 spins pay off?
Nope.
Nope.
And I don't want to bet that. I'm a sucker for the firecrackers.
We see that. Will it pay off, though? Come on. And there's a multi one that has multiple firecrackers all in one package that you can get them all at one time.
It's not going to show itself.
Of course not.
Okay, come on, do something. Yay!
So double.
So he got the double.
This might be kind of hard.
Yeah, but if we
No.
watch you on YouTube.
Oh, well, thank you so Yes, ma'am, thank you.
Get the bigger room. Blow it on it. Blow it.
Did you even push it?
No, it does the first one. Ooh.
Oh, he got a minor, and that is a $50 minor, y'all. Oh my gosh.
I need to fill up the box. Then it'll multiply it. Give me more.
Oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you. These firecrackers actually rise to the top and can pop more.
What does the train do?
The train's the bonus.
I've never gotten the train. This is my second time playing this. Come on.
Well, chat, just letting you know, I was against the 5 cent. But it looks like Mikah picked well.
Come on, give me something. Okay.
That top one said, I gave you the minor, I'm done.
Yeah, I didn't even multiply it. Come on. I think it's done with these.
Oh, yeah, we got a multiplier times 3.
See?
Don't do.
Times 3.
Pop another one of the things.
It's a little late in the game to
think
pop
it's
anything
done.
else. Yep.
I jumped the big.
Come on.
Don't do.
Come on, give us that grand. The grand is $11,906.
Last spin. It's empty.
Yep. That grand would have been the price of a 1999 Kia. All right, here's that firecracker bonus.
Welcome to the Firecracker Express.
Oh. Very consistent numbers.
Right? I bet the next one's 250. Come on, baby. Get it.
Read height. Read height. Read height. Final jackpot.
Well, Micah doubled our money. Not too shabby. Not
Backup
too shabby.
spin.
Let's go up on it. We'll play $80 back of it.
Against it.
Okay. You twisted my arm.
I would have died if it would have hit.
Me too. If 10 cents is $5, how much is $1?
It's probably
It might
$10.
only be $5.
It's $10.
Oh.
Back to my reasonable denom.
Get another pop.
Come on. I don't think it's doing anything. I think it's tapped out.
I think so too. Well, Micah says he is ready to cash out with a profit and move on to the next one. So we're going to go find another Micah favorite because apparently he's picking better than us today. Micah picked his slot, and if you know us, you know he already picked a Lion Link, so let's get it going.
My favorite. 10 cent, $4 at first, and then work my way down.
Sure, why not? Let me get set up. There we go.
Volume on max.
Volume is max.
And first spin. First spin win.
Well, it is a win.
I got 50 cent.
centile. Yes, indeed. And I think I hit the camera. Whoop. There we go.
Okay. Oh, black by the balls. Get free spins at the walking door wild.
The free spins are amazing on this bad
Oh
boy.
my God.
You just needed one more reel of something.
Or one double.
It's going to give it. It's going to drop it.
Don't say that. You're gonna jinx it, and they won't give it to you.
And we picked this game because look at that grand. 52,000. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that couldn't give me the last
$10.
two.
I thought that was going to be, but it has a grand of $52,000. And everyone's talking about it because that is huge for this game. Somebody's going to get on a $2 bet probably. And I will be thankful and happy they got it because that is freaking awesome.
Can you give it to me so I can share the views with the world?
Share
The views.
the view. Oh,
Let them all see it. I saw a
there's
major.
a major flew by. $275. Somebody hit this major already.
Yeah, this one's not as high as the others. Come on.
Oh, drop them down.
This is my last spin at $4, I think. I don't know. What do you think?
I think we should go up to $1 and see what it is.
think it's $10 a spin.
Oh my gosh, $10 a spin. Let's do 10 spins. 5, 2 spins. There's some money back. $2. Come on. Oh. Killing us.
Of course, you couldn't give it to me there.
$250 minor. All right, we got our money back plus $5 bill. Last one, and then maybe nickel cent. Or you want to try a different game?
I'm gonna do the 5 cent. That's where I wanted to go. Blocked by the balls again.
I know, those balls are not where we needed them.
They're there when you don't need them, and they're not there when you need them.
Come on, something good. Oh.
I feel like this is just as bad as the 10 cent.
Right? $3. Come on.
Our bet back.
There you go, balls.
Yeah.
Yay! And it's dropping more?
I didn't know it can do that. Okay, that was new.
Come on, fill that bad boy up.
Slashed all those fancy words earlier.
Right? And I just said somebody's gonna win the grand on $2. Fingers crossed. Well,
I never joke about winning the grand when in a bonus.
I do. $36 win. Not too great, but on $2, that's 15x a bet.
I'm gonna go back to $1
$1.
and do a few spins at 10 since we won something.
That was so many firecrackers.
No, I don't know if I'm feeling it.
I think it's tapped out, but let's do those 3 spins, I guess. Oh my god, $4 ball. That could be something. Got our bet back. Yes.
Last spin.
Well,
Do one spin at $4. And then one spin at $2.25. Nothing.
well, thanks for watching Mikah's picks this week. And he started with 100. He's leaving with 100. So that is a fantastic and great night. Always know what to gamble and when to stop. And as definitely be prepared to only take what you want with you that you're willing to lose. So thank y'all for watching Cajun Slots. Until next week.